pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Jackson, local and long-distance movers near me. Making a long-distance move requires more planning, manpower, certification, and permits. As we are amongst the oldest moving firm, we have expertise in handling long-distance shifts. In addition, the local federal association issues the legal permits required to cross state or country lines. So, we are allowed to conduct long-distance shifts without complicated legal requirements. And keeping your belongings as a major concern, our movers use essential tools to handle your belongings. We provide insurance on belongings that have been shifted through us. So, in case of any wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us without any extra charges. For local moves, our professional moving firm provides same-day shifting. So, if your move involves relocating with the 50-kilometer radius, then your shift will be considered a local shift. We make sure to relocate you within a day's time when you hire us to shift within the city. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jackson Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.